Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy USDT on your Binance mobile app step by step. Our first step being opening up Binance, and once Binance opens up, you simply head over to the deposit section, and we're going to be buying with USD. But if you do purchase some other crypto, you simply use the deposit crypto option and deposit and convert your crypto to USDT. But for those who do not purchase and for those who do not have any other crypto assets, simply click on Buy with USD. Select the token you'd like to purchase, and we're looking to purchase USDT, and would be using either USD or any other fiat token, be it pound sterling or the euro or kwati dinar, or even my own local currency being the Nigerian naira. So with that, you can simply just deposit 100 USD, giving you 99.92. Oh, okay, it's going to be 98.24 USDT. You simply click on confirm, and after clicking on confirm, you enter your card number and enter the expiration date and the rest of those good stuff. And with that, you should be able to purchase your USDT. While for those of us who already have crypto and have possibly deposited our crypto on Binance already, you simply click on convert, select the crypto you'd like to exchange. Let's say I want to exchange my Bitcoin, $3 worth of Bitcoin into USDT. Simply click on this, click on convert, and this is about 3.72 USDT, and boom, that's all it takes, guys. And with that, we've simply bought USDT on our Binance application. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.